Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with Gothic booster box opening number 3. This will be the last one for a while because unlike some people I see online, I don't have extraordinary amounts of money. I see people like, oh, I bought 100 booster boxes, and I'm like, wait, what? I'm just a regular guy with a regular 7:30 to 4:15 job. So, but I digress. So let's just shut up and open packs. Although I am waiting on my pre-con decks. They're supposed to arrive Wednesday. So let's see what we got. And ooh, Magician. I love the flavor of this guy. You have no atlas, but your spellbook may contain sights, and you start with 7 cards. Tap, play a sight. A la Magic the Gathering, you know. So I love that. Forsaken. Oh, God, so amazing. Thought I had a, there we go. Another Macho Man Persecutor here. Enduring Faith. Oh, God. Can't. Lord of Lies. Oh. There he is. Gift of the Serpent. Very alive. Oh. Foil toolbox. There we go. It makes me chuckle in my head every time I see toolbox, because my buddy Chris and I, we used to call people as an insult. Like, that dude's such a toolbox. Holy Nova. Oh, man. So good. I can't wait to make Onslaught. And Bureau of Occult Control. Players must pay 2 to access a collection or cemetery. Good card to keep people from hitting their collection or bringing stuff back from cemetery. Cannot wait to make an angel deck. The thing is, like, I already have 4 decks made. One of them is all burrowing. That's just for fun, to be annoying to other people. Wreath and Righteousness. Flame of the First One's got it. Nice. Another unique. Baptized, Travel Waters. Zip. There's a foil Vindictive Nation. I love just seeing the art here. I mean, just look at that. Just look at it. Still in my 3rd box, and I don't have any foil uniques, which is shocking to me. So different from, come on, there she is, from Arthurian Legends and Beta. Ghost Town, Desecrate. Nope, not the Mount Usar Sanctuary, a unique site. There we go. 4 Earth Threshold. But when your avatar, I love that they're doing this now. When your avatar arrives at Death's Door, they flee here and gain ward, which is cool. And I love the fact that there's a card now. Can't remember what it is. Makeshift Barricade. Love it. That here we go. Mountain Peak, exceptional sights. With it just got the 2 air threshold. Nope. There's a Gift of the Frog curio as well that has like a bow, a red bow on the head. The fact that we already know all this stuff the day after, or the day, well, technically I think they knew the day of the release, and it really ticked me off that so many people, lucid dreamers, got their cards early and were opening them. I think it was on Whatnot before Street Date, which is disgusting to me, but whatever. Arcade of Bones, Freeze. And this is another one. Like, this art is just so cool. But oh yeah, speaking of Second Wind, that's what I was saying. The fact that there's a card now that can bring you back from Death's Door and put you at 1 life, 1 hit point, whatever. I love that. Oh, here's another unique, crazy. Oh, there you go. Look at. There you go. Put your soul in, it becomes immune to death blows after 3 returns, or if the egg leaves the table, you die. So It's the old risk reward. Like, well, I can't die from you, but I gotta kill you quick. Sorry, excuse me. Golgor, Elite Demon. Oh, I see a foil coming up. And there's a Fertile Earth. Yep, 2 Earth Threshold, which I was a bit surprised that there was no tri-lands in this set, but I know there are some lands that give you the Genesis ability to give you the tri-threshold just for that turn, of course, as a Genesis, enter the battlefield ability. Corpse Explosion. But, so that's one thing. Arthurian Legends, the box price has gone back up. The lowest I saw them for was like $60 a box. Ironclad, nice. There you go. Avatar here, tap. Excuse me. And I like that he does play or draw. Oh no, just play or draw a sight. So he's not like the Sorcerer, but he does take 2 less damage. So that's good. Sorry for all the snot. Gloam Toads. Okay. But now with, especially now that Gothic's out and people are going to be redoing all their decks, I see those tri-lands. I think Josh, ooh, there we go, Pallor of the Evil Eye, Unique Giant. I think he said that last he checked, some of the tri-lands are up to like $50 a piece, which is crazy. Oh, Harbinger. Ooh, and Necromancer. Nice. Slobbermaw. Regurgitator. Nice. So I think I have 2 of each of the tri-lands. One sits on my binder. And one's in a deck. Harvest Festival. Ooh, Cherubim. Nice. I love the biblically correct angels as well. I want the Winged Wheels one. Blade Dancer, there you go. Cuts through the opposition. No foils. Mismanaged Mortuary. Every time I see Screamer, this picture here, I think it says Streamer. And I'm like, wait. Harkening Kraken. Pilgrim Shrine. Nice. Yeah, I know I'm not savoring the fun of opening them. Another Consecrate, great. Oh, there's a foil coming up. Oh, foil Screamer. There we go. Nice. Here, trying to Sensu with the Fang. Abaddon's Abaddon, sorry. Makes me think of AEW. I don't know if she's still under contract or not. I thought they didn't renew her. Frogs. Black Cat, nice. Oh, Ghostfire. Oh, Scott Kirshner. Such great. My favorite artist of this set. I really hope I get a foil Carrionet. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait till the hubbub dies down. And it's been out for more than a day. And I will just buy a single. As the professor says, buy singles. Which I normally do because I made the mistake of, oh, I need, a couple cards for my set or whatever. Well, they're 20, 30 bucks each. I'll just buy another box. Then I'll save money and I'll get extras I can trade away or whatever. And invariably it never works. Which I just did with a booster box of Hecatomb. And I got 2 of the 4 cards I need it for my set, but I still have to go buy more. So, but I paid $10 for the booster box, so for Hecatomb, not for this. Okay, Kids of Death. Carrying that, God, so cool. That's what I love cards. My favorite card in the first in alpha, beta. Sorry, my brain is. Sorry, Eevee. The Bioshock. Ultra Investments. God, sorry about that. I need to take some more cold medicine. A wheel, similar snail. But the fact that when you look at some of these paintings, it's just they tell a story just by looking at them. You know, a picture versus 1,000 words. And that's... Those who linger. Mortal Soil. That's what I love about Sorcery. I still love Magic the Gathering, don't get me wrong, but my buddies and I, we play, Silver Bullet, good. We play old school, as we call it, where we just use our old decks from the 90s that we still have. We don't need to have, you know, SpongeBob fighting guys from Walking Dead and really unique, nice. And Iron Man and Captain America against, I don't know, Walking Dead, or wait, did I already say that? I don't know. Just shut up and open the cards. Legion of Gaul. No foils. Man, the pull rate for foils that I've seen, not as good as, or as common, for lack of better terms. Oh, got the unique Undead Dragon. As the other sets. And I'm going to be done with my third box, and not a single unique foil among 3 boxes. Thumb Screws, Gravedigger, Evil Twin, that's a unique. Eerie Canal, no, Eerie Coral. Greater Blood Demon, oh, there's a foil in here. Foil Sea Witch, oh, that's ordinary, but such a great painting. Heidi, her work is so unique, no pun intended, and she just, the Sparrow, Harvest Sparrow, I'm sorry, I can't remember, from Arthurian Legends Day. That's my favorite piece from Arthurian Legends, just something about it. Again, it tells a story to me, and it speaks to me. Hauntless head instead of headless haunt. I get it. Fatality. Fragments coin. Sawbones, nice. As a Civil War reenactor. Very apropos. Still didn't get, you know, Nosferatu, and there's a Jack the Ripper card. Vesper Swarm. Blade of Thorns, Elite. And Gossamer. Oh, Sensu of the Fang, exceptional foil. There's beautiful art here. Last pack. Savior, another Savior, good. Base of Babel, and Grasping Ground Elite. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Boom, 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 boom.